take a look at the FPPR Electric Blowjob Stroker. So here's the stroker itself with a very easy design, easily fits into the palm of your hand just there. Now this is great for both beginners and advanced users and provides a realistic blowjob experience. It provides wonderful penis stimulation. As you can see, it features a transparent sleeve so you can see everything that goes on. It also features stimulating nubs and ridges on the inside for extra penis stimulation during use. You can enjoy 6 delightful modes that mimic the sensation of a blowjob and discover your favourite. You can also use it in the bath as it's suitable for bath or shower because it's waterproof. To turn on, you're going to use this power button just here by pushing and holding for a few seconds. A blue light will come on and this indicates it's in standby mode. Push once more and as you can see, it begins. Click again to change the settings. To turn off, push and hold down for a few seconds, and it's now off. The charging point is located at the bottom just there, so using your USB charging cable provided, simply slot it in as demonstrated and it can be recharged for you. The sleeve can be removed during use and it's great for cleaning as well. As you can see how stretchy it is and the stimulating texture on the inside. Now when using the blowjob stroker, we highly recommend to apply water-based lubricant to the inside of the stroker sleeve itself for optimal comfort during use. Make sure to clean after every use using a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Make sure the sleeve is completely dry before using again. And to pop it back in, simply pull it through so it's open on both sides, like so, and then it's ready to go again till next time. For more information on the FPPR Electric Blowjob Stroker, you can head over to our website. Thank you for watching and we'll see you again next time.